Day 9, Mental Rehearsal. An introduction to really creating your future self. So get yourself into a nice, comfortable position. And in today's hypnosis, I want you to look up like you're staring at your eyebrow. You'll begin to feel the flicker in your eyes. Your eyes may lose focus, keeping your head straight, but really feeling your eyes become heavier and heavier as you continue to try to stare at your eyebrow. And the more you stare, you may begin to feel your eyelids becoming so heavy that they just blink and blink and begin to blink even more. And as they begin to blink, you can feel that hypnosis running through your body as you take a deep breath in. When you breathe out, just let your eyes close down and drift off into trance. What does it feel like going into such a relaxing state of hypnosis and relaxation? And as you drift off into hypnosis, can you find even more relaxing ways to enhance that level of trance and to drift away into hypnosis? Now, you may already be halfway into hypnosis, or you may already be there now. And all I want you to do to just deepen this trance is just start tensing up your feet, tensing up your legs, tensing up your stomach, chest, hands, arms, all the way up to the top of your head, really feeling that energy as you tense it up, feel that pressure, tense it up, feel that pressure, tense it up, feel that pressure, and let it all go now and just relax. Because as you relax, you just drift into such a deep hypnotic trance. And as you go deeper into hypnosis, you'll find it much easier, more vivid to create your future self. And as you're creating your future self, I want you to notice all the minute details. What you can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. But before we go there, all I want you to do is just imagine a 10-step hypnotic staircase in front of you. Every number I count down from 10, you will drift even deeper into hypnosis, starting with 10. As you relax, your mind and body just lets go as you feel the stairs beneath your feet drifting deeper, down to 9 and 8. As you relax, you let go. As you let go, that's right, you relax, down to 7 and 6. Can you feel yourself drifting even deeper, feeling more relaxed, down to 5 and 4 and 3. Feel that hypnosis slowing everything down to 2. And when you reach the bottom step, feel that shift as you hit that wave of hypnosis down to 1 now, completely relaxed, completely relaxed. In order to create our perfect self, we must first be aware of how to see, feel, hear, smell, and taste without actually using our senses. So can you imagine back to a time where you felt incredible, where you felt amazing, where you felt blissful, peaceful, happy? Maybe it was a time where you couldn't stop laughing because something was just so funny. Maybe it was a time when a brother, a sister, or a child was born. Or another exciting time that's happened in your life. What can you see? What's going on? You don't necessarily have to see it so vividly. But what is going on in this scenario? Whose faces are there? What colours are there? What noises can you hear? Any voices? Is it birds? Are you outside? Are you inside? Any music? Is there anything you can smell? Maybe incense sticks? Maybe perfume, aftershave? Or even the sweet smell of nature? Can you taste anything? But most importantly, what can you feel? What emotions are you now feeling? And as you remember this amazing, blissful, peaceful, perfect time, all I want you to do is just notice exactly what it was that allowed you to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch this place. Because if I asked you, where is this place? You would say, oh, it's in my mind. Because the mind cannot differentiate between what is real and what is imagined when you're in a state of hypnosis. So you really are there. So for the rest of this meditation and hypnosis, what I invite you to do is become the director of your life, the movie director. And start to create exactly what it is that you want in your life. Create so vividly who you are becoming, how you walk, how you talk, how you think, how you act, how you feel in your life. How does the perfect 3 to 5 year version of yourself from now act, think, feel? What do they think when they look in the mirror and see themselves? Look at that smile. When you see yourself, how much you love yourself, how grateful you are, how much love you have for the people around you. And as I stay silent for the rest of this hypnosis, just create exactly who it is that you are becoming. And now you know that this is who you truly are, I want you to take a piece of advice, some words of wisdom from your future self, and bring it back to today. What do you need to do in order to become that person in 3 to 5 years? And once you've got it, we'll bring today's hypnosis to a close, opening your eyes whenever you feel ready, feeling the best you've ever felt. Take as long as you need, and I'll see you tomorrow.